Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. In today's video, I am going to show you how I got this neutral glam look and you're going to follow along. I've listed all the products that I've used in this video down below and I'm going to show you some nice tricks to make your makeup long lasting. So follow along. I wanted to create with this look was that just having neutral eyes, neutral lips, everything was going to be very neutral, but the eyes are going to be stealing the show still with some glam neutral to it. So keep watching.
So I am going to start with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is a drugstore favorite primer. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow in Pumpkin Pie. I have started with the first light brown color to define my crease and I'm going in circular motions to kind of buff it out. You can see that I'm defining the margins, especially in the outer corner of my eyes. This goes on till you have softened the harsh margins of the eyeshadow. Keep going back and forth until you achieve that soft, smooth transition. To apply shimmers, I always use a flat brush or my fingertip, and I always spray a setting spray on it so the shimmers turn out to be really beautiful. And to define my brows, I'm using the ColourPop Brow Gel. This is the shade Black, which I believe is a little too dark for me. I would probably go with a brown shade next time. For the eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Glitter Gold Liquid Eyeliner. This is the shade Crystal Ball. It's a bronzy golden color and it really helps to elevate your looks from just a neutral eyeshadow look to a glamorous neutral eye. As you can see, I'm applying really small strokes and I'm not doing one single stroke. That gives you a better control of your eyeliner. And now I'm also using a black eyeliner and it's by NYX as well. It's a matte black liquid eyeliner, and again you can see I'm using small strokes. Always having small strokes will give you better control. Now for concealer, I'm actually doing some color correction using the LA Gold Pro color corrector in orange. Use it over the areas that appear gray, such as under the eyes and around the mouth in my case. You can also apply it around the nostrils, which I have applied also. Having a color corrector under the concealer is really helpful, especially if you're trying to brighten up the under eye area and your concealer won't look ashy afterwards as well. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Lumi Glotion along with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in shade 245. Now this is a trick that you want to use when you don't have a luminous foundation. You can use your matte foundation along with a moisturizer, or you can use some kind of glowing drops or hydrating drops along with the matte foundation to give it a nice luminous healthy glow. And this Anisa brush for foundation application gives me the most flawless finish. I saw it when Rose and Ben was using it and I've been following her since then, and the application is so perfect. After this, I'm going in with the Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in medium. Now this is a brightener, but I'm going to combine it with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Medium Neutral. I like to apply my concealer after the foundation because it helps me balance out the brightening effect of the concealer under my eyes. You can see my under eye is starting to brighten up a lot in this step. If I were to apply foundation after my concealer, it would probably take away some of that brightening effect. Now I am kind of blending it out along with my foundation so you can see that the edges are not very sharp where the concealer meets the foundation. I'm also applying some concealer along the angle of my mouth. This helps me give a nice contoured effect. I am going to use contour later, but this will help brightening that line of the mouth, which will give you a lifted appearance. This is my tip to make your makeup last longer. You are going to spray some setting spray onto a triangular puff, which have become so popular right now, and then you're just going to dab your makeup with it. It's going to give you a flawless base that doesn't move. Now, I am using some powder under my eye at the corner of my eyes, rather, inner corners, that too, just because that's the only area that really needs setting in my case. The problem is if I use powder all over my face turns very dry and it becomes ashy as well. Now for the lower lashes, I'm using the two matte eyeshadows from the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadows and just kind of blending it up. I tried this She Glam Contour Liquid recently and I just love the applicator. It makes contouring so easy. So if you're a beginner, you can give this a try. I am using a slanted brush to kind of blend it out to define those margins as well. At the same time, blend it with that concealer that I applied earlier. And using the same contour on my jawline will help me give a defined jaw as well. Make sure to blend it out so you're not seeing really dark edges to your jaws. Whatever remaining product I have, I'm applying on my nose as well. And then comes the blush. This is the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Flushing For You. This is a very corally pink blush and it looks really good on Indian skin tone. It's not too orangey, neither is it too pink. I really prefer coral toned blushes, so this looks perfect on my skin tone as well. To make your blush look flawless, use whatever product you have on that foundation brush and blend the edges off your blush. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in shade Medium is also really good on Indian skin tones. It gives you a very good, healthy glow. Apply the bronzer on your hairline as well because that will give your face some more dimension. For highlighting, I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I'm applying just small dots and then blending it out using a soft brush. I am now going to set this makeup again with the same step I used earlier, using the powder puff with some setting spray and dabbing it all over my face. You should definitely dab the areas that are prone to creasing, which is the laugh lines. Now I'm using the NYX lip liner shade Ever, and I'm going to follow this up with a lipstick. For the lip lining, I'm following the Cupid's bow and then the edges of my lips. Finally, I have the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in shade Peachy for my neutral glam lipstick. If this is too peachy for you, I have another lipstick option later as well. To up the glam quotient, I'm also going to apply the NYX Diamond Gloss, just like diamonds on the lips. But there is another option for lipstick, so keep watching. The second lipstick I have is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color in the shade Amazonian. This is a nice warm brown shade and it goes really well on olive skin tone. The applicator on this liquid lipstick is just perfect for precise application. And here's my look with the second lipstick. Let me know in the comments which lipstick combination did you like the most.